Hello there, viewers. So here it is. This is the giant box that came, and it was kind of funny. I do appreciate the way they packaged this. I got it from eBay and from a place called Inline Tube. And here it is. These are, I hope, the correct transmission lines. Only thing I'm not sure of, because I've never really looked at the end, is how those are supposed to be connected. I guess there's a transcooler that goes in like the other direction. It loops around something, I guess. I don't really know. Gotta be careful not to talk with my hands when I'm holding the camera, or I'm gonna wiggle you around too much. Looking at the transmission side of this, I'm thinking, Houston, there might be a problem, because I don't know that that's gonna work. But I'll get under there and give it a shot. Okay, so I have these old crappy goggles, but you would not want to get under a truck like this without some goggles over your eyes, because if you get some nasty rust in there, it doesn't come out real good. Trust me on this one. Alrighty, so let's see if I can jack this up without having it collapse. Because that would be, well, I guess it would make for interesting YouTube, but it kind of suck. That would mean I couldn't fix it. Come on. Gotta get up on the wood. Not good to jack things up into soft dirt. Look under here, see where we're at. Nope, gotta go further. Really? Peek, make sure I'm on the frame. Yeah, looking good. Ah, man. Sound great. These 6-ton jack stands are pretty high. I don't know how much higher I want to jack this thing. Not trusting all that much. There's a little bit higher. If it wasn't for the wood, it would fit. But we need the wood. That's what she said. All right. Holy shit! I think I know what broke, and I don't think it was the jack. Well, time to take you off the stand and have a look-see, huh? Oh, jeez. All right, let's have a look-see. I'm a little afraid of what I'm going to see. Just looking at that, that's a whole lot of rust. Yep, the frame just went bye-bye. It's not supposed to be that shape. Fuck. Guys, I don't think I can fix this car. Holy crap. I can't even jack the damn thing up. think I need another Suburban or two-door Tahoe so I can just swap the running gear out of this thing, because holy crap, that's insane. The frame's not supposed to do this. That's very bad. Look at the cross member. It's like Swiss cheese. Oh crap. Alright, well, it was a shot. Okay, so as you saw, the thing fell on the jack, and hopefully you can tell that the frame just really imploded. So I do not trust this any longer. I am not going to get under there with a welder and try, to fix the entire frame. It's just not worth it in my mind. For the safety of things, as well as just the sheer amount of work that would be required to fix up that frame. It'd be a lot easier for me to get into another vehicle. So my newest thought, and let me know if I'm crazy, but I think a two-door Tahoe from the same vintage, if I could find one that's needs engine work, that'd be great. If not, they shouldn't be too expensive, because I would love to have a two-door Tahoe with a 454 in it. I mean, maybe I'm insane, but it would also fit my plow stuff, which I still need to plow my driveway. It wasn't my truck when it did most of its plowing, this one. It came with the plow, and I think it was literally, plowing streets with salt and everything, and that's why the frame is as bad as it is. Just doing my driveway, I don't use salt, so it would last for literally years, and that's kind of what I thought was going to happen with this one. It was just, I don't know, too bad, and it's not gonna live. So with that, let me know. Should I do a Suburban again? I could get another one, same vintage, and or should I do the Tahoe idea? The other idea is a little short bed pickup from the 90s. One of those. Those would be cool too. I'm car nuts, as you know. Anyway, with that, I'm out.